What are variables? Variables are data container which stores one specific data type. The name given for a variable is also called as an identifier. Let's take an analogy. I have a container and I gave a name ABC. What can I put inside this container? I can put a pencil, I can put an eraser, I can even put a marker. Pretty much anything that fits inside this container. That's how exactly a variable works. Unlike a container, which fits anything, variables can only fit 5 data types, which are numeric, dictionary, boolean, set, and sequence. But for the sake of this video, we will only stick with alphabets and numbers. How to create a variable? To create a variable, give a name for the variable equals to specific data type value. Let's say I want to create variables for storing my age and my name. In that case, my code will be name equals double quotes and inside double quotes, my name. When alphabets are assigned to variables, make sure that the alphabets are surrounded by double quotes so that the Python can understand its alphabets. Alphabets are also called as string in Python, and age equals to 30. Essentially, this line of code tells Python to create variables called name and age and assign value JAES and 30. This line of code can also be written as name, age equals to double quotes JAES, 30. To be noted, only one type of data type can be used at a time. But say if you want to assign more than one data type value, then you can use list brackets. Say I want a variable to hold a person's information. Then the code would be name of the variable equals set bracket and inside set bracket name of that person, their phone number. Rules to be followed while naming a variable. Rule number 1. It should only contain letters, numbers and underscore. Rule number 2. It should not start with a number. It would give an error. Rule number 3. It's case sensitive, meaning a variable lowercase age is not equal to another variable uppercase age. Rule number 4. Keywords should not be used, like for equals to 5. For is a keyword, but uppercase for equals 5 is correct because uppercase for is not a keyword.